Hello, this is Justin from Honors WP. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your Lifter LMS data using our transfer plugin. So just to note, our transfer plugin is not a full site backup tool. It is only for backing up your LMS related content. So in this case, all your Lifter LMS courses, lessons, reviews, anything that falls under Lifter LMS data will be backed up using our transfer plugin. So some reasons why you might want to back up just your Lifter LMS data and not a full site backup is one, it results in a smaller file size. So that way, instead of backing up your entire site, you're just backing up your Lifter LMS data. You can download that to a separate file and keep that separate from everything else. It also doesn't mess with any customization settings you have on your site with like design or layout. If you're looking for a point just to restore back in case you are making new content, something goes wrong, and you want to just go back to that previous point, our transfer plugin can do that for you. So to create a backup using transfer, we're going to go to our dashboard. And just to see, we have a couple Lifter LMS courses on this site. 5 courses, there's some lessons attached to them, categorized, difficulty, all that's included. So to create the backup, we're just going to go to transfer. This will bring up the transfer overview menu. And to create a backup, we can either go through here on the sidebar or right up here at the top menu. Just click on the top menu option. We'll click on Lifter LMS to create the backup. Go to continue, then click backup. And this process will take, just depending on how many courses and associated content you have on your site. So for us, it was just 5 courses, some lessons attached to them. So that's why this didn't take very long. But if you have a lot of courses and content, this process may take a little bit longer. So when it's done, you'll get this pop-up window here. You have the option to download your backed up file right here. And you also have the option to restore it. So let's click out of there. So let's just go back to our homepage. So say we created some courses and content and something happens to where we're just not happy with it and we want to restore our site to the previous point before we made our new courses and content. So to do that, all we're going to do is just go back to transfer. And to get to the backed up file, we can either go through downloads or activity. Doesn't matter. So here we'll just go to activity. This is our backup right here. Again, you have the option to download it from right here. But to restore it, we're going to click on actions and details. Click on restore backup. This pop-up window will show up showing that the restore process is completed. And then you're good to go. So you're able to back up and restore your Lifter LMS data with just a few clicks using our transfer plugin. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching and tune in for more videos.